Hi there. In today's lesson, I will teach you how to upload multiple images in Cloudinary at the same time. But also, on top of that, as example, I will teach you how to realize this slider image. In this example, our images are come from our backend API. So I'm going to teach you how to realize it too. Without further ado, let's begin. By the way, if it is your first time on this channel, consider to subscribe and hit the notification button to receive our last videos. With that being said, let's continue. Okay, as you can see, I'm currently logged in my MongoDB account, okay, and this is banners. And if you try to, expand banners, as you can see, it has image as array, and as you can see, I have two objects in it, okay, because I have two images. But I'm gonna delete it, okay, to show you that it's working. Okay, now I have deleted my um, banners. Okay, and here let's go back. Let's refresh. Okay, as you can see, we have nothing. Okay, and now as demonstration. Okay, if you want, let me refresh this for you. Okay, and let's choose images. Okay, you see, and try to create uploading. As you can see, slide created successfully. And if we go back and refresh, okay, so that's what I'm gonna teach you right now. Okay, I will delete everything and start from scratch. And now in our code editor, we're gonna create the banner model. Okay, and just to save some time, okay, I'm gonna copy this model. Let's say product, and I'm gonna refactor. Let's create no file banner.js like so, and paste here. Okay, so I don't need category. Let's say I will need this price. I don't need this, and in this part I will have images. Okay, and also this will be array of object. Okay, because I will need more than one images at the same time. Okay, so and let's make some refactor. Mongoose, I don't need this. Okay, this will be banner schema. Banner schema we'll use here also. Okay, this will be banner. Okay, let's say what else. Seems like we are done. Okay, I think that's it for this one. And now let's create banner controller here. Okay, file banner. Yes. Okay, and to save some time, I'm gonna use this first part. Let's say, okay, I'm gonna use this first part. Okay, this one. Okay, and paste here. Okay, gonna refactor. Okay, I will not need this. Also, but I will be back soon. This will be banner, and this will be banner with capital B, but I want to import, banner, as you can see, as my model. Okay, so as you can see, banner is auto import. Okay, but I don't need product. Okay, but let's move banner on top. Okay, and okay, Cloudinary, yes, I will need, and this will be create, not product, but banner, like so. Let's see what else. This will be um, okay. Here, to achieve that, guys and girls, as you may know, it is an array of object. So to achieve that, what we are going to do, let me, for now, comment this. Okay, here, okay, here, let's create a variable images, because we will have more than one images at the same time. So let images will be an array, as you see in the model. Okay, array here. Okay, and now I will use the spread operator. Okay, to get all the image request body that images. Okay, like so. After that, let me make the loop so you can understand better. Okay, now for let e equal 0, okay, and e less than image is that length, okay, and I plus plus, okay, we'll have the loop here, like so. And what we are going to do in our loop, okay, I'm gonna cut this part, okay, because for each image uploaded, I want to upload it in Cloudinary. Okay, so let's uncomment this. Okay, we're gonna make a few change. Okay, this will be banners. Okay, banners, and our size will be 190 100. I mean 9020. Okay, and crop scale. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. Um. Okay. So what else we need to do? Because we are in a loop, here will be, images will pass the index I, okay, like so, because for each image, okay, for each image uploaded, we want to upload it in Cloudinary, okay, but um, okay, but now we have our image in Cloudinary, but we need also to send the user the response so that it will output the image in our front end. Okay, so we have to save banner in those objects in I mean in the images. Okay, this will save in the MongoDB database also with their respective links. Okay, and ID. Okay, let's go back. So to achieve that, I'm inside the loop. I need to create a buffer. Okay, let images buffer that will hold our image temporarily. Okay, so here in the loop, I'm inside the loop. Okay, I will have this image buffer. Okay, dot push. Okay, and now I will push I will push, as you can see, um, in the model, you see I have public ID and URL. Okay, so here I will have public underscore ID. Okay, result that public ID. This public ID will come from Cloudinary. Okay, and after that I will have URL. By the way, if you didn't watch, this video, go watch it on the channel, because I have explained everything, and now I'm uploading multiple images at the same time. Okay, this result, okay, this result, okay, that secure URL. This comes from Cloudinary too. Okay, and now I have my images in the buffer. Okay, some space. I have my images in the buffer, and now I need to save, this array of object in my images. Okay, in this. Okay, so the last thing to do, I will have um, uh, request body that images equal, the buffer. Okay, because my buffer has the array of objects of the images, and now I need to save, okay, in my array of object in the images. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, after that, okay, I will use this const banner, await banner, but this banner will be um, um, banner here should be with B, okay, so that we can make the difference. Okay, banner B, and this is the banner from the model. Okay, dot create, and we'll create from request body, just in case you have other field to add. Okay, request dot body. Okay, so some space. Okay, and now we want to send as response our banner. Okay, I think that's it, guys. Okay, now let's add a route for our banner. So expand routes. Okay, um, banner.js. This will be a route. So let's copy. Let's copy this. Okay, banner here, and now we're gonna make some quick refactoring. So I will need create banner. Okay, okay, like so, and controller will be um, okay, will be banner control. And now let's remove this. Okay, we'll have the route banner, okay, / create, and now put this here. Okay, so here, if you have trouble, you can start from the beginning, because we have the tutorial on how to set up MERN Stack application. Okay, so for the route, that's it. And now we need to bring this route in the app.js. Okay, here. Okay, let's first of all import the route. Let's say routes, like so. Give it a name, wire. Okay, so we will bring that from routes. Okay, and it will be oops, but after that, last thing to do in here, the routes middleware. Okay, so Okay, here first slash API, and the what we're doing, this will be this. Okay, what? Okay, I think that's it for now for the back end, and now let's go to the front end. Okay, now in our front end, let's go to pages admin. Let's add admin add banner.js. Okay, RACE. Okay, so that's it. Let me add some fragment here. I have the HTML already. Okay, just to save some time. Okay, this is fragment. Okay, and now this will be our HTML. Okay, so um, let's say all the thing to do in JavaScript. Class is a reserved keyword, so I will change it to class name. Okay, like so. And now let's add the what to display um, this add banner. So we will go to add the JS, and now let's import let's say admin add banner, admin add banner. Okay, so let's see if we have the correct route. Okay, we are here, pages admin, seems correct. Okay, and now let's add a new route. I'm gonna duplicate this. Okay, so it will be this is the component, and our route will be that admin. Okay, I will name it so admin dashboard so banner / create. Okay, I think that's it. And now let's go. I will check in the browser. Okay, now we are in the browser. Okay, let me add the rest of the route like so and press enter. We are testing our route. Okay, nothing is showing because I see the problem again. Okay, as you can see, we have add slide. Okay, now let's add footer, header. Let's go back. Now we are in testing mode. After that, we can protect all the routes we want. Okay, so with that being said, let me go back to this add banner. I need to add a header and footer. So let's take an example. I need header and footer. Okay, okay, header. Okay, so also let's say okay dot dot. Okay, here dot dot. Okay, to go in component. Okay, component header. It should be okay. Duplicate. Here. Like so. Let's see. Seems everything okay. Okay, this component. Okay, header, footer. Like so. Okay. After that, we will have to, handle, these fields. Okay, now to handle the fields, what we are going to do, okay, let's add overload images, set images, okay, we are going to use book, use state, it will be auto imported, okay, but this will be an array. Remember, in the backend we have an array of object. Okay, after that I will have to set up loading. Okay, loading, set loading like so, and by default it will be false. Okay, like so. What else? We will have to handle, this image. One thing to mention for you, just here in the markup, you will have to add the attribute multiple to add multiple image. Okay. So after that, I'm gonna handle this field. Let's add, on change. I will name handle image. Okay, like so, and let's create this handle image. Handle images like so. Once this will be in our function. Okay, I will pass the event. Okay, like so. Okay, now I will create a variable name files. Okay, equal array. Okay, from e that target that not value this time the files. Okay, okay, because we are uploading files. Okay, and now let's look files that for each. Okay, for each file. Okay, what do we wanna add? Const reader. Okay, so if you haven't watched the tutorial on how to upload image in Base64, you can go watch it. Okay, now file reader, this one. Okay, and now reader as read as this time will be read as data URL, and we will pass the file for each file we are uploading. Okay, it will generate this read as data URL. Okay, that's the file, this file. Okay, because we are doing this for each. Okay, and now, and if everything is okay, reader, I'm sorry, onload and onload and, okay, this is our function. Okay, now this time we will set, okay, image, set images. Okay, old array, old array. Okay, and now we will spread. Okay, spread operator, old array, and now we will add this reader, reader that result. Okay, for this part, that's it. And now if you want to test it, let's console log uh, images. like so. And now let's go to our front end to test our event. Okay. Okay. Now let's test. I mean, if we get our images properly. Okay. So as you can see in the console, uh, our array has two images. Okay. One, two. Okay. So and you see here we have two files. So now we need to send. I mean, these images to our backend API. Okay, and now to save some time, I will copy the snippet to post, I mean, uh, the images. Okay, so I will explain. Okay, here what we have here. Let me indent properly. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, we have submit form. Okay, we have loading. Okay, by the time that we make the request, set loading will be true. Okay, and when we receive the when we get the response, I'm sorry, set loading will be false. And now we try to empty images, and now we have those. We don't have this imported yet. Those it will be auto imported. Okay, as you can see, auto imported. And what else do we need? I think that's it. Okay, Axio. So if you want, let's check our route. Um, Let me go to banner route. Okay, so banner. Okay, /banner /create, and all our API have a prefix of API. Okay, that's it. And what else? We will send, let's say, images. Okay, we will send images here. Okay. We will send images, and what else do I need to explain? Okay, so I think that's it. So now I will add on submit in the form. Okay. On submit and this is it. Okay. So we have error. We can fix that. We don't have Axio problem. So we see we don't have Axio. We will auto import it Axio. Okay, here. So look Axio like so, like Axio. You see, and boom, Axio auto imported. Okay, let's save again. Okay, it seems like everything is up. And now in our form, I will add a little. I will add a little thing. Let's add let's inject JavaScript. So by the time that we make the request, what we will say here, loading. If loading is true, I mean we will say uploading. So we can add. I mean I can say that a loader, but to save some time, and now we add text. Okay, with slider. Okay, so that we know that we have a process of uploading images. Okay, so let's save, and now we're gonna test in I mean in the browser. Okay, so as you can see in the MongoDB database, I don't have banners. Okay, so now let's make the test. Okay, here. Okay, choose image again. I have to image. Okay, and now let's try to create a slider. You see, uploading. Okay, as you can see, guys, slide created successfully, and we got the answer here. Okay, because I have console logged the response. As you can see, banner. Okay, you see the array. Let me expand for you. You see images. We have two images, guys. And let me check for you in the Cloudinary, because this is the result. This is the link or save in MongoDB database, but also in Cloudinary. Look here, um, my folder name banners, not banner, banners. I'm gonna refresh, and now you see banners. Open, and this is our image, guys. This is our image. Okay. And if you check also in the MongoDB database, let's refresh. As you can see, we have banners. Okay, now in the last part, as promised, I will add the slider. Now I have the images, I will add the slider here. Let's create a component. Okay, let's name it banner. Yes. Okay, RACE. Okay, okay, and now I will add fragment. In between, I will paste HTML 3D that I grabbed from MD Bootstrap. Okay, so copy and paste here. Okay, so I grabbed it from MD Bootstrap. Okay, and let's change class to class name. Okay, save. So okay, what else? Let's bring this component. Okay, let's bring this component to our home page. Okay, so in here on page, okay, import banner. Okay, okay, from banner. Okay, and now duplicate banner. Okay, let's see. Seems like everything is okay. Let's take a look in the okay here home, as you can see, but this is not dynamic yet. Okay, okay, so you see, but we are going to make it dynamic with our image in MongoDB. Okay, I'll link in MongoDB and image in Cloudinary. Okay, but first of all, to display the banner, I don't have yet, on the API endpoint to display the images, the get endpoint. And now let's go in our backend API in controller, banners controller. Okay, to save you some time, I will copy the snippet. Okay, because we have done this many times. Okay, so as you can see, display banner. Okay, kind of same thing. Okay, banners and await banner. This is the model. Okay, and as you can see, to find all banners here. Okay, and now we send the request. If you have error, that's it. Okay, now save. Let's go to route. Okay, banners route. I'm gonna duplicate this. Okay, this time I will have get. Okay, but my API will be in page page banner. And now let's import, I mean, let's say this display banner in the route, and let's use it. here. Okay, for the backend art, for the backend part, that's it. Okay, now in our front end, add banner in the backend. I will take this, I mean dashboard, and let's go to this controller. I mean this component banner. So I need this. I don't have used it yet. Okay, use state. Okay, and now press tab. Okay, auto imported. And now to save you some time, guys and girls, I will copy like that. Okay, as you can see, I've just created the what okay fetch banner, and all our API have of the prefix API. Okay, API endpoint. Okay, so here what's going on? I don't have Axio yet. Axios. Okay, auto imported. Okay, as you can see, you can check the response from the console, and you will see we will have REST data banners, but also in in this zero. Okay, and after that you will have the images. Okay, so we set our images, we get our images. Okay, and we console log if we have error. Okay, see, I think for this part that's it. And now how to make this, I mean, dynamic. This is the point. To make this dynamic, you need to understand how this carousel that I grabbed from MD Bootstrap works. Okay, as you can see, let's check the variable data MD slide to 0. You see 0, you see 1. So we have for now one variable. Okay, let's check. Okay, others, and as you can see here, carousel item active, and now we don't have active, so we have to handle this because we will need only one to look through. Okay, only one carousel item to look through. Okay, and now let's make it happen. Now to make it dynamic, I will need only one. Okay, so I will delete the last because I will need this class active, and also I will delete this class also. Okay, now let's make it dynamic. I have already image. Okay, so let's jump in JavaScript. When you open curly braces, that means we want to deal with JavaScript. Okay, so images and images. I mean, if this is true, okay, so dot map. Okay, so here I would have to add img for image, and I will need the index, so you will see for what you are using index this. And now I will grab this, I mean get it here. Okay, so like so, and now I need to let me add the images first. Okay, okay. And now I will have img .url. This is the link of the image if you look in our I mean banner model. Okay, and but we have to do more. This is the point, because now we have two images, and if we make the loop, the two images will be active. Okay, so we have to show one image at a time. Okay, how to achieve that? So let's fix that. In cut, I will add polyverses, and now my condition This is where index come. Index is equal 0. Okay. If this is true, I will have this. Let me put it in quote. I will have this if the index is 0, else I will have only carousel item. Okay, carousel item. Now I've handled, how, I mean, image will be active, and now not yet um, finish, because the way they make, carousel in MDB Strap, they have also button, to be active. So to handle this, I will use the same, I mean, images that map here. I will open my braces, and what I do the same thing. Okay, and here img comma index, but this time I will not use img. I will only need index. Okay, let me cut this. Okay, so from now I need to, I mean, as you can see here, I have 0. Okay, I have to pass the index here to know which, I mean, slide it's gonna show index. Okay, so um, okay, after that, this active class, okay, we will handle that, sorry, with ternary operator. Okay, let me get this, and I will add JavaScript. If index is equal equal to 0, if this is true, uh, will show active, else show none. Okay, I think, guys, that's it. It should be okay. And now let's save. Okay, and now let's take a look in our front end. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is our image from Cloudinary, you see, and you see, one active at a time. Okay, and let me refresh, because it's supposed to be um, slide automatically. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, guys, as you can see, we have successfully load our images from MongoDB and our backend API. So it was a little bit long. Sorry for that. Um, if you have question, please use the comment section. And if you like this video, please a thumbs up. Um, it's a way to encourage us, and also it helps with the YouTube algorithm, so that other people can see, this kind of video. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.